Hey, what are you doing? Why are you down there? Are you okay? What are you hiding back there for? What's the matter? Oh, can I come back there with you? Can I come in? Is this your little clubhouse? What's the matter? It's an awfully weird place to pick. Oh. Well, what? You gonna tell me about it? You gonna tell me about it? Yeah. I love you. I love you. So you were laying under there because you was sad? You think Mommy don't want to share with you? Well, Mommy always wants to share with Journey. See? Oh, I love you. I didn't know you wanted some. You loved a peanut butter toast. Yeah, good breakfast. Well, I'm glad that you're not sad anymore. I love you. I love you. You love the peanut butter toast. It's stuck to the roof of your mouth. Yeah. Oh, okay. Got it? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I know. Yeah. You got it? Some more? Yeah, Mommy's so sorry. I tried to give you a bite earlier and you didn't want none, so I didn't think you wanted to share. And then you got sad and hid under a table. I'm sorry. I love you. Say, love you, bye. Okay, bye.